Today in this video we will see how to use the Bixby button present on the side of your Samsung phone to open YouTube app or any other application of your choice. For that one, let me go to settings here. Go ahead and let me open this option advanced features. Let me select Bixby key, and here there are two options: single press to open Bixby and then double press to open Bixby. And inside this option also there is another sub option which is use double press and then select an app or a quick command. This means if you double press the Bixby button, you can open app of your choice, or else if you go to this option double press to open Bixby, then there is another sub option which is use single press, and you can use this single press to open an application or a command. So let me select this option, single press to open an app, and then let me go inside this one, tap on this setting icons here, and here there are many applications that you can choose. For me, I will select this option YouTube, and then let me close this one. And if I press this Bixby button once, let me see YouTube will open or not. Let me press, and you can see YouTube opens. So in this way you can use the Bixby button to open YouTube app or any other application of your choice. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.